Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Arman bin AL-YUSUFF. My matric number is 2977764, and today I'll be discussing the UX techniques employed in the PawPal case study, analyzing the effectiveness and debating alternative approach, and also suggesting the approaches that can be implemented in. So let's dive in. First, let's briefly explain the UX techniques used in PawPal. First is wireframing. Wireframing is a process of creating a visual blueprint of an application layout and functionality. The PawPal team used mid-fidelity wireframes created in Figma to map out the features like behaviors analysis and also the logging of the data. So this helped to visualize the ideas and allow for early stage revision. And next is the usability testing. Usability testing involves observing real users as they interact with the application. For PawPal, this means testing with 3 cat owners to evaluate how well the application addressed their confusion about their cat behavior. So the feedback led to refinements such as improving the user flow and the whole interfaces. Now, let's talk about usability testing. Usability testing is a very powerful method and very useful method, but it also has its strengths and weaknesses. And we are talking about weaknesses here. The weakness of usability testing is it is very resource intensive, which it requires to recruit participants to conducting differentiation and analyzing the data, which can be very costly and also time consuming. And next is it has a very limited scope. In this case, the PawPal team with only 3 users tested, the feedback might not be represented the full diversity of future PawPal users. So, I would like to propose an alternative technique, which is heuristic evaluation. Now, let's consider what is heuristic evaluation. Heuristic evaluation is where we take the expert to evaluate the design based on an established usability principle. By implementing heuristic evaluation, there are few strengths that need to be noted. One of them is very cost effective, where it requires fewer resources since no user requirement is needed. Plus, in heuristic evaluation, usability practitioners or experts are gathered to review and evaluate the interface design based on their expertise and usability heuristics. Next is the efficiency. The expert can quickly identify a broad usability issues, making it a great early stage tool. So, the final question is, which one is better? The answer is, both have pros and cons, and by integrating them both together, we can lead to better results. First, let's use heuristic evaluation in early stages to quickly and cost-effectively identify and address some general usability issues and problems. And by doing this, we can prepare a solid foundation for further testing. And next, we can follow up with usability testing to validate the design with real users to uncover hidden issues and refine based on their actual experience. By combining these 2 methods, we can balance the efficiency, effectiveness, the validity, and to ensure the apps meet both usability standards and also user expectation. To sum it all up, the PawPal team used wireframing and usability testing, which is very important in designing a user-centered app. Usability testing, while it's very powerful, but it can be complemented by heuristic evaluation to save resources and broaden the scope of usability feedback. Together with this method, we can create a comprehensive approach that's very efficient, effective, and very highly user-focused. So, thank you for listening. That's all from me. Thank you so much.